don't know if I gave them a number or not. That's what we call a classic. Very antique. Let me go check out this. Oh, then he got pipes, y'all. Then he got pipes. Let me go check out this car here. 327. Yeah, Malibu. I like this kind of Malibu. That looks cool. That is freaking awesome. I don't know what year is this. Or do he have it? Let's go check the magazines out over here. '65. Oh shoot. 65? Yep, 65 Chevelle Malibu. Y'all see that? That is cool. Hell yes. Then he got the one scale. What's under the motor? 327 turbo. Oh, awesome. Awesome. Awesome, awesome.